Today, March 23, 2025, presents a compelling narrative in the cryptocurrency market, where XRP continues to struggle below its all-time high despite the SEC lawsuit's dismissal, prompting investors to explore promising alternatives such as Lightchain AI, Cardano, Stellar, and Algorand for potentially stronger growth prospects. XRP, currently trading at approximately $2.50, has experienced a notable 14% surge following Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse's announcement on March 21 that the US SEC has officially dropped its 4-year legal battle against Ripple, alleviating a significant regulatory overhang. However, despite this positive development and Ripple's utility in cross-border payments, XRP remains range-bound between $2 and $2.80, a stagnation that has persisted since December 2023, failing to reclaim its previous highs. Meanwhile, emerging projects like Lightchain AI, which has raised over $17.9 million in its pre-sale at a token price a fraction of a cent, are capturing significant investor attention with their innovative approaches, potentially outpacing XRP in the next bull cycle. This shift in focus highlights a broader market trend where investors are diversifying into altcoins that offer unique technological advancements and higher growth ceilings, especially as XRP's price stability contrasts with the dynamic potential of its rivals. XRP's price stagnation, even after the SEC's legal resolution in May 2024 declaring it not a security, stems from multiple factors that continue to challenge its upward momentum despite Ripple's operational successes. The lack of significant price movement despite new partnerships and progress toward XRP exchange-traded funds, ETFs, suggests that investor confidence has not fully rebounded, possibly due to lingering uncertainties in the broader regulatory landscape and competition from other payment-focused blockchains. Since December 2023, XRP has traded within a narrow range of $2 to $2.80, a stability that, while reflecting resilience, also indicates a lack of catalysts strong enough to push it beyond its all-time high. For investors, this scenario necessitates a strategic approach, where diversification into promising alternatives and close monitoring of market trends and regulatory developments could mitigate risks associated with XRP's current plateau. Among the standout alternatives to XRP, Lightchain AI is pioneering the integration of artificial intelligence with blockchain technology, offering a platform that has already secured over $17.9 million in pre-sale funding at a remarkably low entry price of $0.007. Experts predict that Lightchain AI's token, LCAI, could skyrocket to $2 by 2025, driven by its seamless use of AI for data validation and smart contract execution, delivering faster and more accurate transactions that elevate blockchain efficiency. This innovative approach has not only attracted institutional investors, but also positions Lightchain AI as a leader in the AI-powered blockchain space, with a roadmap promising explosive growth as its technology finds applications across industries. Its pre-sale success and ambitious vision make it a top contender among XRP rivals, potentially offering returns far exceeding XRP's current trajectory. Cardano, another notable XRP alternative, emphasizes a research-driven development process focused on scalability, sustainability, and robust smart contract capabilities, distinguishing it within the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Analysts anticipate that Cardano's native token, ADA, could reach up to $2.20 by the end of 2025, supported by ongoing technological advancements like the Hydra upgrade and strategic partnerships enhancing its decentralized application ecosystem. Unlike XRP, which primarily targets financial institutions for payment solutions, Cardano's broader focus on scalability and sustainability appeals to developers and investors seeking long-term value in a versatile blockchain platform. This research-first approach and growing adoption make Cardano a compelling option for those diversifying away from XRP's stagnant price range. Stellar, designed to facilitate swift and low-cost cross-border transactions, mirrors some of XRP's strengths, but enhances financial inclusion through its efficient consensus protocol, which ensures rapid transaction processing with minimal fees. Its native token, XLM, leverages partnerships with global financial institutions like MoneyGram to build a payment network rivaling traditional systems, positioning Stellar as a leader in the evolving digital payments landscape. This focus on accessibility and efficiency, combined with its ability to handle multi-currency transactions seamlessly, makes Stellar a strong alternative for investors seeking growth in the cross-border payment sector. As XRP struggles to break its ceiling, Stellar's consistent performance and practical utility offer a viable path to significant gains. Algorand rounds out the list of XRP rivals with its scalable and secure blockchain platform, addressing the blockchain trilemma by balancing decentralization, scalability, and security through its pure proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Offering high-speed transactions and immediate finality, Algorand supports a wide range of decentralized applications, from financial services to DeFi, making it attractive for developers and enterprises alike. Its robust infrastructure and focus on real-world applications, such as green initiatives and high-throughput solutions, position Algorand as a promising contender with substantial growth potential by 2025. For investors, Algorand's technical strengths and practical use cases provide a diversification option, as XRP remains stuck below its all-time high. BNB, the native token of the Binance ecosystem, is displaying promising signs of an impending breakout rally, having rebounded from recent lows with strong momentum that could see it surpass its $640 resistance level tied to the 6180% Fibonacci retracement. Technical indicators, including the MACD nearing a positive crossover and the stochastic RSI rebounding from oversold territory, signal renewed buying strength following a V-shaped reversal pattern with 4 consecutive bullish candles. This bullish momentum, supported by Binance's expansive ecosystem and growing utility, positions BNB as a top altcoin to watch, potentially outperforming XRP in the near term if it clears key resistance. Its resilience amid market fluctuations adds to its appeal for investors seeking alternatives with immediate upside potential. Cubetics continues to transform asset tokenization by offering a marketplace that fractionalizes real-world and digital assets like real estate, commodities, and intellectual property, raising over $15.2 million, with 501 million TIX tokens sold in its presale at $0.1181. Analysts forecast that TIX could reach $1 by presale's end, a 746% ROI, potentially climbing to $10 or $15 post-mainnet launch in Q2 2025. Driven by partnerships with Certic, SWFT blockchain, and 1inch for security, liquidity, and usability. Unlike XRP's focus on payments, Cubetics' broad asset tokenization scope and presale success highlight its potential for massive long-term rewards in a diversifying crypto market. This innovative approach positions Cubetics as a standout rival with a high-growth ceiling, compared to XRP's current stagnation. Bitcoin's price has declined to $83,580 from a weekly high of $87,158. Forming a rising wedge pattern atop a double top at $108,150 and a death cross on March 14th, suggesting potential downside amid triple witching volatility yesterday, March 21st. Signum Capital notes: Bitcoin's increased stability with ETF adoption, shifting from 4-year halving cycles to shorter bursts driven by liquidity and sentiment, contrasting with altcoins like XRP that remain volatile. Ethereum, trading below $2,000 after a triple top at $4,005, has seen whales accumulate $236 million worth of ETH, 120,000 tokens, in 3 days, signaling confidence despite a bearish breach below key moving averages. These market dynamics underscore why investors are eyeing XRP alternatives like Lightchain AI, Cardano, Stellar, and Algorand for higher growth potential. The crypto ETF landscape is expanding, with Bitcoin and Ethereum setting precedents, and XRP's potential ETF approval, bolstered by Franklin Templeton's filing, could drive prices to $5 to $7 by late 2025 if approved, though today's range-bound action tempers immediate optimism. Lightchain AI's presale success, Cardano's scalability, Stellar's payment efficiency, and Algorand's technical prowess offer diverse growth paths as XRP lags its all-time high. If XRP breaks its ceiling with ETF momentum, it could rally significantly, but Lightchain AI's projected surge to $2, alongside Cardano, Stellar, and Algorand's upside, presents compelling alternatives for 2025's bull cycle. Investors should monitor these rivals closely as the market evolves beyond XRP's current constraints. Please like and subscribe for more updates.